Welcome to our tutorial on how to hide a chat on Messenger on your PC. Are you looking to keep your conversations private or simply tidy up your Messenger interface? Follow these simple steps to hide a chat discreetly. First, navigate to messenger.com in your web browser. Once you're there, locate the Home button and click on it to access the main menu. From the menu options on the left side of the screen, select Messenger. Now, direct your attention to the left side of the screen where your chat list is displayed. Hover your cursor over the conversation that you wish to hide. Once you've found the chat, you'll notice 3 dots appear next to it. Click on these 3 dots to reveal a drop-down menu. Within the drop-down menu, choose the option that says Archive Chat. By selecting this option, you effectively hide the chat from your main chat list. Don't worry, you can always retrieve archived chats whenever you need them. And there you have it. You've successfully hidden a chat on Messenger using your PC. This feature is a great way to declutter your chat list or maintain your privacy. Give it a try and see how it streamlines your messaging experience. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more helpful tips and tricks on maximizing your Messenger usage.